Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go with another special unboxing video. You guys gotta check them out. Link will be down below. The best cookies in the world come from Michigan, my hometown. And this is coming from Kookys N Cream. Definitely love me some cookies. This would be perfect for Valentine's Day, which is coming up. If you order now, you'll definitely have it shipped and ready to you. Try something different. If you're craving the sweet tooth, they got other munchies also to purchase. There we go, buddies. Yeah, buddy. Definitely excited to show you guys these. I found them on Instagram, so if you guys want to give them a follow also, that'd be much appreciated. And, oh, sweet. Oh, boy. Like I said, they got Cookie Heaven Paradise, chocolate chip, birthday cake, got that ice cream in the middle type deal, German chocolate cake, Twix, oh boy, Superman ice cream, can't go wrong with that, that is amazing, Smore'Yo, whoa, chocolate infinity, peanut butter cup, campfire, oh man, look at that. You can, oh, there's more goodies on the back. They got some cookie cream. That sounds interesting. Right here in Michigan, guys. Definitely check them out, please. The big cookie. Well, you could design cookie cream cakes. Cookie platters. Hey, there's a website right there too. And like I said, all you gotta do is click the link down below. Check it out when you have some free time. You guys would not be disappointed. Let's see what they sent me to show you guys. Oh boy. It's like Christmas all over again. Ooh. I like it. Oh boy. You guys are too much. Thank you guys over at Kookys N Cream. Oh, nice packaging. Oh, baby. Oh, boy. Drop you guys down. Here's a box. Cookies and cream time. Oh, they smell really good. I can smell. Oh, man. There we go. Whoa. Check these out. Cookies, peanut butter. There's the Superman. I got it stacked up pretty good. Whoa, this is cool. They got this big guy. Got the birthday cake. Oh boy. Oh, they got the ice cream one. Yeah, buddy. We got these triple dips. Okay, hold on 1 second. I'm going to do another video for Instagram. I'll be right back. Alright, YouTubers, sorry about that. But here we are. We got the, I think this is like the birthday cake one. They got, look at that. Cannot wait to try this. All you got to do, click the link down below. Like I said, they got so many other goodies to choose from. Look at that, peanut butter. Woo. This is a good Tuesday. And we got the Superman, peanut butter. Look at that, crystals everywhere. It's like glycerin right out of the bag. I'm not gonna eat all of them, so definitely can't wait to dig in. It's a little early right now. I haven't eaten my lunch yet, so. But this is what they look like. How they ship to you. Really good, nice packaging job. Check them out, YouTubers. Kookys N Cream. Let us bake your day. That is amazing stuff. Thank you guys for watching. Be safe. Give them a follow. And the link will be down below for their Instagram. And also, I think they got a Facebook too. So double check that out. But the main one will be Instagram and their website. So you guys be safe. Have a good day. See you soon.